Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be getting the last little bit of the Mazda ready for painting. So a little bit of guide coat, a little bit of 500. Lee's currently next door, he's working on the oven. Gary's currently on the way out, he's going to be helping me. He's going to even start spraying. We've got the paint, it's all ready to go. I'm very, very excited to see this car finally getting painted. So stay tuned and let's see how we get on. Starting things off here with the guide coat once again. We are prepping these panels for the last little bit of a rub down and then we're done. Oh, this is the idea. It's all blacked out. So the idea is you're going to come in here, you're going to sand this down and you're going to keep going until the black is removed, and it's basically going to allow you to see where the high points are, where any of the low points are. So, very important stage. Now we're going to start sanding. So, according to Gary, we are going a little bit too fast, so we're going to turn this down. Right now, oh yeah, that's so much better. So as you can see, the idea is that you keep sanding until that black disappears. You can see all the little specks of black, that's what we're talking about. Keep going, keep sanding until that disappears. And that means you have a nice, smooth surface and you've hit everywhere. It's not good, is it?
It's a bit wet when we're painting. I think that's the best idea.
Yeah. Let's get a look in here.
It's not very pretty now, but seals it up and be alright.
We're not going for looks. Oh, there's a much better bead.
It's a nice bead there now, right?
Absolute professional. What about the likes of here? Tape or something? There's tape out there.
I would stick to it, remember we were trying that.
Yeah, well that's what we're doing. We're trying to just kind of get this oven, it's never really going to be finished, but try and get it tidied up a little bit. So they're putting sealant on it. I don't know, we're debating whether or not we're going to put plastic in it. Like we've seen a lot of people putting plastic into ovens and stuff, but like we're not painters, we don't do this professionally, so we're a little bit hesitant about it. So if you're a painter and you know, or you have a bit of information that you can pass over to us, please do leave it in the comments, because we don't know what we're doing here. So we've got some of the panels done, we still have a long way to go. We have this guy here, the probably shouldn't be doing that, but with this guy here, this is the actual front splitter. This needs to be done. This is plastic. And this is done by the previous owner, and you can kind of see, like, you can see how bad that is. Like, it's kind of chipping away a little bit there as well. So we got to do that as well. So we're going to hit it with some 320, and that'll be another job done. This we're going down the bare plastic. This is going to be start all over again. Do I need to go back to bare plastic, or if I?
No, go to
Yeah. Yeah, bring it all back to black. Back to black, says you? Yeah. Great song. Look at that.
You hadn't intended on priming again.
It's like dandruff.
Jeez.
Shocking, isn't it?
I hadn't intended on priming again, but remember seeing that, that's kind of a...
That's going to need priming.
Are you painting that? Yeah.
No. Black. I'm going to put this black.
You're doing that black?
Yeah.
Oh, no, we don't need to prime. No, we
again.
can prime it. We can.
I had me
That'll be done at a later stage.
All right.
And it's going black, it's going left side. Where's your spoiler?
The spoiler.
What colour's the spoiler going?
First to see how it is.
Prime
Yeah, and if I don't want it, then I might go
them.
black.
Might as well just prime them too then.
Yeah.
So what are we doing here? Am I holding on
You're
to
going to
it?
sand that back plastic. Gary's going to prime it and the spoiler tonight. We're going to take the panels out of the oven for the minute he primes them.
We might as well prime the fucking bootlet too then.
Are you going to be able to prime bootlet? Yeah.
It needs filler.
Can't fucking prime the bootlet.
Filler.
Bollocks.
Well then, leave the prime tomorrow night then.
Never a hope we're getting this paint on this week.
Leave priming tomorrow night, get the boot lid fully done this evening, that you're priming the boot lid and the 2 lips tomorrow. For the lip and the spoiler. And then we'll be able to get the car in tomorrow night. Wouldn't we?
It's currently 8:30, 20 past 8.
Right, so get that
live
back.
in the next 20 minutes. You're
Ah.
live around 9 o'clock.
Something nice to look
Right,
at.
let's try and get as much work done this evening as we can.
Yeah.
Back that and why don't you just go live there now? Why are you going back?
Why did you fucking shut your mouth? Don't tell me what to fucking do.
Lads, road friends here.
No, fuck you as well. Day 2. It's Thursday. Back out in the shed. Plan today is we're going to get the car ready. And hopefully ready. I'm very overexposed here to go into the shed. So, let's see how we get on. Right. Let me just put a little bit more guide coat along our sills. This hasn't been touched down here at all. Right, so what are we doing here, Lee?
Just scotching all this black, all this paint, so that you see it's all. Well, I can't really see it, but see it's all shiny.
Yeah.
You see your paint. If you paint on top of that, it just flake off. Whereas here, where I've done, see the way it's all.
It's kind of all
flat.
dull and flat looking, yeah.
So it's just a bit of red scotch, and just rub it down. Basically, you're getting rid of any kind of dirt and shit that's on it as well at the same time. So
Yeah, good stuff. Sweet. Sounds like I'm changing a wheel in F1.
Is that the second one?
Turn through a little bit here. This is no, the other one needs to be done as well. So we have the car done. The car's ready. The splitter's done. The license plate holder's done. The bumper's done.
Got the plate holder done.
Aye, got the plate holder done. You need to do filler on the boot, and then the wing needs to be sanded down.
And just this is the door.
This is the door. then. Alright boys, so we're doing a bit of grinding, so it's important to wear your goggles. Yeah, that's good enough. Hello. So we've decided that it's unfortunately it's going to be a little bit too cold tonight to spray. It's getting down to like 3 degrees. It's too cold. It's too cold to spray the car. So we're not going to be able to get the car sprayed this week, but we might potentially be able to do something next week. We're going to get the car into the oven. It's pretty much ready to go now. We have everything scuffed up. Everything's ready to go. So next week, I believe, is when we're going to start painting it. Gary is basically just doing the last little bit of prep now at the moment. Lee is literally preparing the oven. So a little bit bummed out we can't get it this week, but next week is go time, and I'm super excited for it. I cannot wait. I'm very excited to see this car painted. It's a dream car of mine, and I can't wait to see it done. So